How are you today? I'm happy to see you. I hope you are doing well today. I just want to thank you for taking a couple minutes with me to talk to you about a course that I've put together about how to make the next career that you move into your best career. Okay, so here are a few tips for you. Tip number 1, get to know you better. Get to know you better. So I know that I've been guilty of this, and I know most of you can probably raise your hand at this as well. Whenever we lose our jobs and we have unexpected career changes, the first thing we do is we run out and we start to apply to jobs that are similar to what we are doing today, and we try to hurry up and find another job like that. And we forfeit the time to actually get to know us better. What are the things that we liked about that job? What are the things that we didn't like about that job? If we had the opportunity, what things would we do differently? I really urge you to spend a little time. I know that the bills don't stop, and I know that we don't get to spend a lot of time figuring this out, but we should spend some time. Tip number 2. Make sure that whatever you do, you are uniquely qualified and interested in solving a problem around it. We may not have a lot of jobs out here, but we have a lot of problems to solve. And every one of us will find that our jobs are trying to do more with less, but the people who are keeping their jobs are people who are solving problems and are passionate about solving their problems. So, if you find a problem that you're passionate about solving, more likely than not, you will be employed to do that job, or you will find that you have a client that needs your service. Okay? Tip number 3. You are not going to do anything for the rest of your life. Okay? We are not trying to find opportunities that are going to last for the rest of our lives. We're trying to find things that we can do and be good at in this season of our lives. We do things in chapters, not novels, right? We're not trying to figure out what we're doing for the rest of our lives. So feel the relief of that. You don't have to figure it out for the rest of your life. You're just trying to figure out this chapter of your life. Tip number 4. Things are done better in bands or circuses. They're much more fun. Find those people that you can get to know that can help you get to where you want to go. Solo acts are not fun. Solo acts are hard to pull off. You can't do things in silos, you guys. So I want to recap that quickly. Number 1, get to know you better. Number 2, find a problem that you're uniquely qualified to solve and interested in. Number 3, make sure that do things with other people who can help you get to where you want to go. Okay? I think I missed one in there, but you can review this video and watch them all. But even so, what's more important is this is his entire course, and it's a very thorough course that can help you design the next chapter of your life, and it's very affordable, you guys. We spend like $50 on foundation, lipstick, lashes, and a new do. This course is $50, and you can have it for the rest of your life to be able to go back and redo it over and over again, revisit it, and it's got great tips on how you can go through each one of those cycles. And more importantly than that, it helps you develop 5-year plans. So once you have gotten through developing the first set of 5-year plans, you can come back and revisit this again, start over as many times as you want for just $50. And hey, you can do this with your friends, you can do this with your family, but I encourage you to do it. Okay? So help me help you guys and help others by taking this course.